guys, I just realized that I forgot to put on the timer. I think I've had it for 20 minutes, 10 minutes, somewhere, I don't know. I had it on, I put the relaxer in. It looks like it's over processed. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Royce and welcome. You must be wondering why I have all these ponytails, although they are short, but you know, natural hairstyle, they're long. I'm relaxing my hair, guys. I know. I don't want to deal with my natural hair anymore. I just have so many things going on in my life, and I want to focus on my weight loss, and I also want to focus on my school and also other things. So that's why I'm trying to relax my hair now. I already have heat damage, a lot of heat damage from doing sewing, so I was going to cut my hair anyway, so I might as well just relax it for now, and then when I'm ready to cut it, I'll cut it off. But yeah guys, so without wasting much time, let's get to it. Okay guys, so this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using ORS Olive Relaxer, and this is this is extra strength, and I'm not good at this, but guys, we'll try. If it doesn't work out, if my hair doesn't come out, we'll just cut it. It's just hair, no attachments, right? So yeah guys, so without wasting much time, let's get to it. realized, okay guys, I just realized that I forgot to put on the timer. Oh, I think I've had it for 20 minutes, 10 minutes, somewhere, I don't know. I had it on, I put the relaxer in. It looks like it's over processed. I don't know. Look. So I'm just going to wash it out because I think it's ready, because I used extra strength. I hope I didn't mess up my hair, but that's fine. But I'm going to wash it out right now. I've had it in for, I think, I don't even know, but I think it's ready because it's itching a little bit because it's extra strength. I use the extra strength. And yeah guys, I think the hair is ready. What do you think? I'm going to wash it anyway. I'm going to wash it now because I didn't time it, and I think I'm just going by my eyes because I forgot. This is my first time or second time doing this. I haven't done it in like 3 years, so okay, wish me luck guys. I'll be back, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I have washed my hair. Let me give you a close-up. So I still have some, you know, I still have texture in there, as you can see. I still have texture, you see over there. So probably when I do my second retouch, I'll kind of, because I'm trying to keep it thick, I don't want it to be too thin, but my ends kind of processed, which is good. I'm fine with it. And my sides and all that stuff, you can see here there's a lot of texture there, like, because I had heat damage, a lot of heat damage from doing leave outs. So yeah guys, so I like how it turned out. You can see there's a lot of texture inside my hair, so that's good. So I'm going to blow it out. I washed it, I bathed, dressed up a little bit. So let's get to it guys. So the stuff that I'll be using is, I bought this from here when I moved here. This is the Revlon. It's like the similar one I had for my natural hair, but this I bought from here. I bought it for 20 euro, and it has all the combs, as you can see over there, just like the previous one. So I also bought a new flat iron, Chi by Chi. I've never used Chi products, and I've heard good things about it, especially the flat iron. So I hope this works. And I've blow dried my hair. I like how it turned out. Wow guys, my hair grew. Yeah, so I blow dried my hair. So now I'm just going to curl it with my flat iron. Try out my Chi flat iron and see how it would do. So yeah guys, stick around. So this is the Chi, it's blue. I like the color, I won't miss it, right? And I'm going to flat iron my hair at 350. I've seen other people online do it at, I think is it 400, but I'll try and be kind to my hair. I can go at 370. Oh, it's fast. So I always like to wear my hair as a pat. I like to pat my hair. I just think it looks better for my face. I have somebody told me I have something like that here. So, but I do need a haircut though. I do need my ends to be trimmed, I think. Hair gurus, please let me know, or people who know. I think I need a trim. Wow. Ooh. So how are we going to do this? Okay guys, so I just finished straightening my hair. Okay, let's try and curl it, because since I'm not good at curling my hair, I was just going to bump it up in the front, like so. How do you guys do it? I don't know. I hope you enjoyed the video seeing me relax my hair for the first time by myself. My virgin relaxer, it went well. I think I did very well. I used the ORS relaxer, and I used the extra strength because my hair is 4C, so it's really coarse, and so it really worked well, and I liked how the results came out. And then I'll just go to the salon so that they can go cut the split ends, because I had a lot of split ends. I think I'll have them cut off so that I can, you know, I can just let my hair grow and kind of have some free time. Did I show you the hair? Let me show you the hair. So this is how it turned out. It looks really nice. I did this, guys. I'm an expert. So let me show you the back. So I really like how it turned out. It looks really nice. Okay guys, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to share the video as well, guys, so that we can draw more people to our channel. And also, so thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye.